Imagine you own a magic goose, not a normal goose. This goose lays golden eggs every 3 months. You do not have to pet it. You do not have to chase it. You do not have to sell the goose. It just wakes up, looks you in the eye, and drops cash on your lawn. That golden egg is a dividend. Dividends are money companies send to shareholders just for owning the stock. No tricks, no quests, no boss battles. You hold the share. The company mails you a tiny paycheck. It is the laziest form of income that is still socially acceptable. Picture a company like a massive pizza shop. It sells a ridiculous amount of pizza, mountains of pizza, enough pizza to clog the sun. After paying workers, rent, cheese insurance, and the CEO's emotional support yacht, there is leftover profit. The company can do 3 things with that leftover money. It can reinvest it to grow bigger, it can save it, or it can hand some of it to owners. If you own a slice of that pizza shop, dividends are the company walking over and saying thanks for owning a slice. Here is your cut, literally. Now here is why investors love dividends like raccoons love shiny trash. First reason, dividends pay you even if the stock price goes nowhere. The stock could move sideways like a confused crab for 10 years. Dividends keep showing up, price down. Dividend does not care. It keeps knocking. Think of it like renting out a vending machine. The machine itself might look ugly, it might get scratched, but as long as people keep buying soda, you get coins. Dividends are the soda money. Second reason, dividends feel real. Stock prices are imaginary numbers on a screen. They go up, they go down, they cause emotional damage. Dividends show up as actual cash, real money you can spend, save, or reinvest. It feels like the stock saying, I am not a hallucination. Third reason, dividends reward patience. If you own a dividend stock for years, the payments stack up. Then the payments buy more shares. Those shares pay more dividends. That pays for more shares. This is called compounding, which is just money having babies that also have babies. Imagine you buy 1 cow. The cow gives you milk every year. You use the milk money to buy another cow. Now you have 2 cows. 2 cows give more milk. Soon you own a small dairy empire and your neighbors avoid eye contact. Let's put numbers on this without making your brain melt. Say you own a stock that pays a 4% dividend. That means if you put in $100, you get $4 per year. That does not sound exciting. That is a sad burrito, but stay with me. Now imagine you put in $10,000. That is $400 per year. That pays for groceries, or part of rent, or your subscription addiction. Now imagine you keep reinvesting those dividends for 20 years. The payments grow, the shares grow, the income snowballs. Suddenly the burrito is a buffet. This is why retired people love dividends. They want money without selling their stocks. Selling is like chopping pieces off your golden goose. Dividends let you keep the goose and eat eggs forever. Also, dividends send a signal. Companies that pay steady dividends usually have their life together. They are not setting money on fire to chase the next shiny thing. They are saying we make consistent profits and we are confident enough to share them. That does not mean dividend companies are boring. It means they are the responsible friend who shows up on time and brings snacks. But dividends are not magic. Some companies do not pay them. That is fine. Young companies often use profits to grow. A startup is like a teenager. It needs money for growth, not allowances. And dividends can change. Companies can cut them. If profits fall, the goose might skip a month. That is why investors look for strong businesses with long dividend histories. Companies that have been laying eggs through recessions, wars, and fashion crimes. Think of a company that has paid dividends for decades, through disco, through dial-up internet, through low-rise jeans. If it survived all that, it might survive a little market drama. So why do investors love dividends? They provide income without selling. They work even when prices stall. They compound like money on caffeine. They reward patience. They feel real. Dividends turn investing from a guessing game into a paycheck machine. Owning dividend stocks is like owning a field of very polite money trees. They do not grow overnight, but they drop cash regularly. And if you keep watering them with time, one day you wake up and realize the trees are paying your bills. Remember the goose. Do not chase the goose. Do not stress about the goose. Just feed it time. If you pick the right goose, it will quietly lay golden eggs while you sleep.